showing my squishies. Number 1, this like cupcake thing. Number 2, it's like a jojoba. Number 3, pretzel with cheese on it. Number 4, a cupcake. Number 5, a cute panda eating something. Number 6, a cake. Number 7, a donut panda thing. Number 8, this hamburger. And number 9, a JoJo donut. Bye guys!